Hey guys, it's Kim here with Fairily Fiber Fun. Thank you for joining me on this unboxing video. This is my first undyed wool order of the year, so there's going to be lots of dyed goodies coming soon. And this box is huge. Okay, if I stand up, it goes above my knees. So let's open it. Oh, it's in plastic. Okay, good. So I ordered 2 breeds. I got, oh, I love the note they put on here. It says, Kimberly, thanks for the order. Happy New Year, Grace and Phil. I love that. And I got 8 pounds of Targhee and 10 pounds of Falkland. This must be the Targhee. Ooh, I've only ever gotten superwash Targhee top before, so I'm really excited. Yeah, this is definitely Targhee. Yeah, so excited. And then this is the Falkland. Yeah. Ooh, I like the way that feels too. I don't know how they pack such large orders in such tiny boxes. I'm super impressed. RH Lindsay Wool has a great packing department, except that the bags tend to tear. That's bags for you. See? Tore. Get out. Get out. Get out. Come on. Ha-ha! 10 pounds of Falkland. 10 pounds of Falkland and 8 pounds of Targhee. Yay! Targhee, underneath the blue, Falkland.